If you look at this card, you can see a person sitting up on a bed, covering their face with their hands, which shows worry and stress. Behind the person, there are 9 swords on the wall, showing repeated thoughts and mental pressure. The surroundings are dark, which gives a heavy feeling, as if the person is lost in their own thoughts. The bed has carved designs, which show past experiences or memories, still affecting the mind. And the bedsheet has floral patterns, showing something emotional or close to the heart. Overall, the focus is on the person's state of mind. This card is not about physical problems, but about anxiety, overthinking, and mental stress. The situation may feel bigger than it really is, because the mind keeps repeating the same thoughts again and again. So, the energy of this card is worry, overthinking, and mental pressure. It shows a stressful phase, but it can reduce when you calm yourself and handle your thoughts better. This is the Nine of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, the answer is no. It shows worry, stress, or not being in the right state of mind to decide. If the card comes reversed, the answer is yes, as the stress starts reducing and clarity begins to come in. Career business studies. If this card comes upright, it shows stress or pressure related to work or studies. If someone is in a job, they may feel worried, overburdened, or mentally disturbed about the situation. They should not make decisions out of fear, but first calm their mind. If someone is not working, it shows anxiety or negative thinking about the situation. If planning to shift a job, the decision may come from stress, so it is better to think calmly before acting. If choosing a course or learning something, there may be pressure or confusion, so they should not rush. For business, there may be stress or worry about outcomes, so decisions should be taken carefully. If the card comes reversed, it shows stress reducing and better clarity to move forward. Love relationship. If this card comes upright, it shows worry or emotional stress in the relationship. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, there may be overthinking, fear, or emotional disturbance. If there is a breakup, it shows sadness, regret, or difficulty in handling emotions. If it is a new love situation, there may be fear or insecurity affecting the connection. If the card comes reversed, it shows healing from stress and emotional relief. Health. If this card comes upright, if a person is unhealthy, it shows stress, anxiety, or mental pressure affecting health. If someone is healthy, it is a warning about overthinking and lack of mental rest. If something new is detected, it shows fear or worry about the condition and the need to stay calm. If the card comes reversed, it shows improvement and reduction in stress. General guidance. If this card comes upright, do not let your thoughts control you. Take rest and try to calm your mind before taking any decision. Avoid overthinking and fear. If the card comes reversed, it shows that you are slowly coming out of stress and gaining mental clarity. So, this card tells you you may be overthinking or feeling stressed right now, but this phase can pass, and with a calm mind, you can feel better and move forward.